And welcome back, 27th of May, further maths 5 a day, and let's just go straight to the first one. Okay, so first question. So AB is a straight line, gives me two coordinates, work out the midpoint. Right, okay, I thought it might be a bit harder. So the midpoint is the average of the x values, so minus 3 minus 9 over 2. The average of the y values, so 15 minus 18 over 2. Work this out carefully. So minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12, divided by 2 is minus 6. 15 minus 18 is minus 3. So that's just minus 3 over 2 or minus 1.5. Next question. Show that. Okay, so I'm going to state clearly what I'm doing. So you need to be clear in your answer. Because I'm showing, I'm going to say, I'm going to use x equals, actually tell you what I'm going to do first of all. I'm going to say this is equal to f of x. And then I'm going to work out f of 3 over 2. In other words, a thing that solves that to 0. And that's going to be, now because it's a show that, I need to be clear. So it's 4 times 3 over 2 cubed plus 20 times 3 over 2 squared minus 53 times 3 over 2 plus 21. Again, because to show that, just don't write equals 0, at least do a step in between, although you don't really need to probably. So that's 4 times 3 over 2 is 27 over 8 plus 20 times 9 over 4 minus 53 times 3 over 2 plus 21. Now I'm going to get my calculator out, check I've done it correctly, and that gives me 0, which I expected. Now I need to make sure I'm explaining the question. So I'm going to say as f of 3 over 2 equals 0 by factor theorem, 2x minus 3 is a factor of, I'm answering the question with a conclusion, f of x. Question done. And this is hence, so I must use my previous answer. So factorize fully. Now I know 2x minus 3 is a factor. So now I'm going to think, what do I need to multiply 2x by to get 4x cubed? Well, it's going to be 2x squared. What do I multiply minus 3 by to get plus 21? Well, it's going to be minus 7. Now for the hard bit. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14, but I want minus 53, which means I need another 39 x's. So what do I need to multiply this by in order to get another minus 39? Well, it's going to be plus 13, and therefore that's going to be my factorized solution. However, can I factorize further? I'm going to draw a line across here and see what I do. And I think I can. So therefore, f of x is going to be 2x minus 3, which is the 2x minus 3 I got from originally. And I'm going to try and factorize this because I think I probably can. So it's going to be 2x and x. And then the question is, where does the 7 go? Because it's undoubtedly 7 and 1. Well, 2 times 7 is 14, or minus 14, depending on which way, where I put my minus. And I want 13, so that feels right. So it's going to be 2 times plus 7, which is plus 14, minus 1, and that is going to be my answer. Question done. Next question. Find the transformation matrix that is equivalent to a reflection in the x-axis. Right. Now, if I reflect in the x-axis, my 1, 0 in the x-axis remains 1, 0. So therefore 1, 0. My 0, 1 comes down here, so it's become 0 minus 1. So therefore that's the first one. Followed by, oh, that's clever. Okay. So now I'm taking, remember I'm starting from my previous one. So I'm here. A rotation 180 degrees about the origin. So this comes over to here, so that becomes a minus 1, 0. And this comes up to here, so this goes back to where it started. So my answer is going to be minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. And that's today done. Okay today, not too bad. Pretty standard factorizing question in the middle. Easiest first question and nice ending question. Let me know how it went for you. Like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.